Hello students, let us start with the second part of classification of algae. Students, in part 1 we studied that Smith divided alga into 7 divisions. And this year we are going to study only one division, and that is Phaeophyta. Last year we studied Chlorophyta and Cyanophyta. So what is this Phaeophyta? It is brown alga. So he divided this brown alga into 3 classes. But what are the characteristic features of Phaeophyta? It has got brown, it's called brown alga. What are the pigments present? Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll B is absent. In Chlorophyta, you could see chlorophyll A and B, but here you have chlorophyll A and C, and B is completely absent. Alpha and beta carotene, diatoxanthin, flavoxanthin, fucoxanthin, lutein, and violaxanthin. These are the pigments present. In Chlorophyta, you had reserve food material, starch, but here it is laminarin, mannitol, and oils. This division, Phaeophyta, brown algae, he divided into, and this brown algae, it is commonly called brown algae, it comprises of many calps. He divided this into 3 classes. What are these classes? Come on, these are isogenerati, heterogenerati, and cyclospory. Now in isogenerati, the life cycle is completed with isomorphic type of alternation of generation. Means gametophyte and sporophyte, they look alike morphologically, but cytologically they are different. Heterogenerati, in which the heteromorphic type of alternation of generation takes place. And in cyclospory, what type of life cycle is there? It is diplontic type of life cycle. He divided isogenerati into 5 orders. Heterogenerati is further subdivided into subclasses Haplosteichini and Polysteichini. Haplosteichini further divided into 3 orders, and Polysteichini also in 3 orders. But we are not going to study isogenerati and heterogenerati because the type we have to study belongs to cyclospory class, cyclospory division Phaeophyta class, cyclospory, and order is Fucales. Why order is Fucales? Because the type which was thoroughly studied first under this order was Fucus. So on the basis of that, he named this order as Fucales. And the genus which we are going to study is Sargassum. And you can see the picture also, Sargassum, how does it look like? Now we know which type we are going to study. We have done the classification part. But we should know how to write the classification. Let me recall, last year I have already taught you how to write the classification. So we have to follow the same procedure for writing the classification. The hierarchy is there. So what we'll be studying now? How to write classification. How we'll be writing it? Let me recall it. You must be remembering it. Yes, the first thing will come, the division. So for example, we are studying Chlorophyta. Here in SY we'll be studying Phaeophyta. So division, Chlorophyta. This will be followed by reasons. You will have to give reasons why it is Chlorophyta. If it is Phaeophyta, why it is Phaeophyta. So what you will be writing? The characteristic features from the group. Like in Chlorophyta, you will be writing starch, the reserve food material. Pigments present, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and xanthophylls and carotenoids, alpha and beta carotenoids. You can write that. And then it will be followed by class. See, it's slightly away from the division. Can you see? Just division, not directly under division. Similarly, it will be followed by subclass. Writing class, for example, you're writing chlorophyce or charophyce. Give reasons below that. Like under chlorophyta, you're writing reasons. Give below chlorophyce the reason. Give below the subclass the reasons, if at all subclasses are there. Give reasons below the orders. Give reasons below the family. If you know the genus, write the genus. You have to know the genus. For example, you are studying Zygnema from Chlorophyta. For example, you are studying Nostoc from blue-green algae. So Chlorophyta won't be there. Division will be Cyanophyta. So you will be writing here the genus. And if you know the species, genus will always be followed by a species. Please write the species. You can see how we are writing. Division is here. Class, subclass, order, family, genus, species. Not directly division below the division class, here class, see here. No, C will start from here, slightly away from this line. Are you understanding? This is the correct way of writing classification. Now, the reference material which I have used is G.M. Smith, Cryptogamic Botany, Volume 1, Algae and Fungi. The publication is of Tata McGraw-Hill, and in the Botanical Sciences, Edmund W. Sinnett is the consulting editor. With this, I'll stop here and say thank you to you. Thank you. If you like it, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.